One of the keys to getting the glute as active as possible, which is going to be your main power source in most rotational sports and most sports where lateral movement is important, is having an effective external rotation of the hip. A great way to start working the external rotation of the hip is down on the ground on your back, opening it up, coordinating those muscles of the outside hip or lateral hip to help pull it open, but very importantly also is to help relax these adductors or your groin muscles. That's often one of the things that really slows you down in getting a lot of external rotation of the hip. So we're going to do a one leg hip external rotation. Lying on the back, you're going to want to keep a nice taut core. Then what you're going to do is you're going to bring those legs together and you're really going to focus on the two bony parts at the front of your hip here. You're going to make sure that those guys don't roll at any point during this exercise. Really want to make sure those guys stay nice and stable right where they are. So from this position, you're going to roll open one leg at a time. So as you're going to let that leg come down, you're going to make sure that hip doesn't come up. You're going to keep it down and keep your core tight and roll that leg all the way open, trying to get the outside part of that knee all the way down to the ground, and then come back up. Feeling some tightness through that hip is totally normal with this. Once again, you're going to roll that leg all the way open, keeping that core nice and tight so that hip doesn't come up, and try to get the outside part of that knee all the way down to the ground, and then come back up. Slow, 1 or 2 second hold at the bottom, a full squeeze all the way down, and then come back up. Give it a try, increase that hip external rotation.